So welcome back to this tutorial, and today we are discussing conditional statements. So if at all you have a program, let's say you're writing a program that can make decisions between two options, then that's part of the conditional statements we are talking about. So a conditional statement is one that executes only if a given condition is made. Let's say someone to pass must score at least 50%. Then as long as you have scored 50%, you've passed. If it's less than 50, then you have failed. So we have three types of conditional statements. We have the simple if, we have the nested if, then we have the if else. Okay, so with simple if, it means we only execute it if the given condition is true. So with simple if, it only executes if the condition is true, and if the condition is false, then we don't do anything. And here's the syntax for simple if. So the syntax is if we open, execute whatever is here, the body. So we execute the body of this if, then we can close our thing from there. So I need this keyboard because mine is malfunctioning. So like that. So if the condition is true, then we execute whatever is here and we stop. So if the condition is false, we're supposed to give here condition. If like this. So if the condition is true, then we execute whatever is here. If this condition is false, then we don't execute what is here. We simply skip this block. So if we can go to our dev C++ and then work out this in the file. So include stream. Next line is using name namespace std, then int main that, and inside our main function, then we need to declare some variables. Let's say age is equal to 13. So to test our condition if it's working, then we can easily see for Ugandan to vote you must be 18. Then we can easily say if your age is greater or equal to, if your age is equal to 18, then you must do what? You can vote. So we simply print for you so eligible to vote. Like that, we terminate. And if this condition is false, we don't care, we don't do anything. So save this desktop. Let's do it from here. So let's call it simple if, like that. So if I run this, so you see it is eligible to vote. Let me see if age is equal to 18. Oh, sorry, I'm supposed to use double equal signs. Okay, so you see now nothing is printed onto the answer. So this simply indicates that the given condition is false. And how do we evaluate this? We simply get, so let's go back to our, so we had a condition here as age equal to 18, and then we had declared int age to be 13, like this. Then here we are simply printing eligible to vote. So this is what it means. We first initialize our age to be 13, and then we are checking here. So where there is 18, the program will replace it with, where there is age, the program will replace it with 13. So we are checking using these comparison or relation operators. If I told you watch the previous tutorials, then at least you know what I'm meaning here. So we are checking, is 13 equal to 18? Then this one has a question mark here. So this question mark means if the answer is returned as true, then we execute whatever is here. Then if the answer is returned as false, then we don't print this, we skip it, and that's why when we run this we don't get anything, because 13 is not equal to 18. So this equal to, but if I try to use the greater or equal to, shift greater, quotient, it is not supposed to be here, so I'm supposed to run it from here. So if age is greater or equal to 18, so if we run this, then still we don't see anything, because 13 can't be greater or equal to 18. So if we check this one, let's say someone enters 19, then we can easily see that 19 is greater than 18. So our condition is this here. Okay, so the condition in this statement is this. So for it to happen, your age must be greater or equal to 18. So the 18 becomes the condition. Then these operators help us check the relationship between this condition and the given input. Okay, so the condition is 18, don't confuse it with anything. So this one goes away now. If we change this to 19, then, and we change this one to greater than, then age is greater or equal to 18. This, so simply this message now will be printed. Okay, if we run this, so now we are eligible to vote. So you can see we have completed the if. That the if is just simple, that it only executes if the given condition is true, and it doesn't do anything if the given condition is false. So in the next lecture we're going to talk about something that also caters for that negative part, that in case if this is false, then you can do this, so it can make a decision based on the given condition. Thank you.